Today, we are learning about air transport. Flying taxi.
Yay!
A flying taxi is a small aircraft that carries people quickly over busy cities. Would you like to ride high above the traffic?
Helicopter.
Yay!
Helicopters have big spinning blades on top that help them hover and fly. Can you spin your arms like helicopter blades?
Hot air balloon.
Yay!
A hot air balloon floats in the sky using hot air inside a giant, colorful balloon. Wow! Look at the rainbow colors in the sky.
Parachute.
Yay!
A parachute is a big fabric that helps people float safely down from the sky. Stretch your arms wide like a parachute opening.
Jet.
Yay!
Jets are super fast airplanes that zoom across the sky at great speed. Whoosh! Can you make a jet sound?
Glider.
Yay!
Gliders fly without an engine, using only the wind to stay in the air. Shh! Quiet and smooth like a bird gliding.
Drone.
Yay!
A drone is a small flying machine often used to take photos from the sky. Click! Can you pretend to take a photo from above?
Rescue helicopter.
Yay!
A rescue helicopter helps save people during floods, fires, or accidents. Brave and strong, it's a real hero of the sky.
Airship.
Yay!
An airship is a giant balloon-shaped aircraft that floats slowly in the air. Can you puff your cheeks like a big airship?
Passenger plane.
Yay!
A passenger plane carries people across countries and oceans. Wave hello! Who's ready for a long journey?
Rocket.
Yay!
A rocket blasts off into space with fiery power and speed. 3, 2, 1, blast off!
Hang glider.
Yay!
A hang glider lets people fly like birds using a light, wing-shaped frame. Stretch your arms and fly like a bird.
Gyrocopter.
Yay!
A gyrocopter is a tiny aircraft with a spinning rotor on top.
Seaplane.
Yay!
A seaplane can land on both water and land. Splash! Can you pretend to land on water?
Cargo plane.
Yay!
A cargo plane carries heavy goods and packages around the world. Whoosh! Your toys might be flying in one right now.
Space shuttle.
Yay!
A space shuttle carries astronauts into space and back to Earth. Wave to the astronauts, kids.
Biplane.
Yay!
A biplane has 2 wings stacked one above the other. Wow! Double wings for extra fun flying.
Military helicopter.
Yay!
A military helicopter is strong and used by the army for protection. Powerful and brave, zooming through the sky.
Private jet.
Yay!
A private jet is a small luxury plane for fast and comfortable travel. Would you like to fly in your own jet?
Cable car.
Yay!
A cable car hangs from strong wires and glides over mountains or rivers. Look down. What can you see from high above?
Air transport makes learning fun and helps us dream of flying high. Keep watching more preschool educational videos for early learning and adventure.